Today's episode has a surprising twist as I as I try to hold on to my balls. Well, figure out why, figure out how in the video. Check it. Today the ship is a little bit on the rocky side. I think this is after the Mediterranean crossing. We got into the Atlantic. Let's see what we can do when the sea is this rocky. Always stable machine. The balls don't move on this table, even when there are big waves. So it makes it easier to play because of the stability here. And since I'm playing with the solid balls, I win. The pool table is at the Eastern Lounge, which is in the back on deck 5. If you come to Explora, have a chance and play it. If somebody is on Explora 1, I would like to see the same attempts over there. I hope somehow it gives you a sense for how it looks. But there's another swimming pool, which is in the middle, which is quite long. Let's check that one. They had to take a little bit of the water out, or else it would splash completely outside. Even so, it's making quite big waves. Anyway, they are closing the pool now. I don't think anybody's crazy enough to get into the pool at this time. And thank you. Not all episodes are that informative, but this is a vlog of 17 days cruise. So if you're enjoying it so far, subscribe, and we've got a ton of other episodes popping up.